How do you do, everybody? My name is Ladix, and I'm doing my reaction to episode 22 of My Little Pony Season 1, A Bird and a Hoof. The only thing I could think of when seeing this title was Fluttershy, because, I would imagine it being her taking care of a bird or something. I mean, that's what I can read out of the title. So, A Bird and the Hoof. I guess she has her hands full, or her hoofs full of a bird. I've been sitting thinking about this for a while, so maybe 3 minutes before I started the recording. I usually do that, but sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, my apologies. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. That's just how it goes. So that's what I think, and let's find out if it's true. I have a bit of problem talking right now, so just forgive that in advance. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. And it is Fluttershy. I was right. Somewhat.
There you go, Mr. Mousy. Now
Nice.
stay off that leg and do everything I told you, and it'll be just like new in no time at all. Aw, you're welcome. Happy to be able to help.
What? Is that like Alice in Wonderland reference?
You found a watch?
Come on.
You wanna be a watch?
You guys, you were telling me there were Disney references.
You're running.
I'm loving this.
We're running out of time? No, you're late?
Yeah. He's late! He's late! He's late! He's late! He's so late. Ding.
I'm late for a very important date. The big brunch for
They
Princess
did it
Celestia's
again!
corner.
Fucking references, dude.
Oh, the princess is here in Ponyville for a party, and we all promised we'd be there. But I'm not
Oh my
there.
god.
Oh, do I look alright? Do I need to bring anything? Maybe I shouldn't go.
Yeah, sure. Probably shouldn't go.
It's starting. I'm missing it.
God.
Oh, thanks, Angel. I mean, if you hadn't
Just
been
go
lucky,
already.
I would have not remembered, and then I wouldn't be there, and every pony would be wondering where I was, and...
I guess he's not...
Oh, right.
Well, he's
I'm late.
somewhat a dick, but he helped her at least. Hey, you locked that door. Of course she comes back.
Oh, okay then. See you later.
I guess so. My little pony, my little pony. Ah, my little pony. I used to wonder what friendship could be, my little pony. Until you all shared its magic with me. Big adventure, tons of fun. A beautiful heart, faithful and strong. Sharing kindness isn't easy to be, and magic makes it all complete. Yeah, my little pony. Do you know you're all my very best friends? Now you can kill me. First you take my head, and then you take my soul. Hope you're pleased.
So, what do I have to do to get to be
So
one
what's
of the
going on here?
princess's royal guards, anyway? Is the pay good? Hello?
They're not giving a shit.
Anybody home?
God, he is very deadpan. Nice. He ain't give a shit.
Ooh, you're good. Too good. I'm bored. You made it.
Halt! Who goes there?
Wow, what a voice.
I'll go home.
It's all right, sirs. She's on the list.
Oh, I'm so tired today.
I'm so glad you could make it, Fluttershy.
It's late, but I don't
It
care.
wouldn't be the same without you.
So what's going on? Why are there royal guards there? God, Spike, you fucking,
How's every pony
Oven.
doing? Good? Good.
No, what's Celestia doing here?
Anything else we can get for you, dearies? I mean, esteemed guests. Everything is fine, Mr. and Mrs. Cake.
Sorry, I'm late.
What's she doing
I had to
there?
finish taking care of a patient first.
Oh, you and your tender, loving care of little animals. I just know Princess Celestia is gonna love that about you. I mean, I hope she will. I mean, of course she will.
God, come down. You're freaking me
I
out.
was the only one who got nervous at social
I'm so
gatherings.
like,
Oh, it's not that. I just
I'm like
think
freaked
Princess
out by
told all
like
of my
things.
friends.
But she's
Except
met
if
us all
shows
before.
like this
I
did
read about
creepy
you in my
things, then I
letters,
would be like
but this is the first time
complete
she spent any real time
freaked
with me.
out.
I want every pony to make a good impression.
I don't know.
Well, I'm sure you have
It's
nothing
always
to
something that's
worry
been like
about.
haunting me.
Besides, it's just a casual get
I hate
right?
freaky
Don't
things.
touch me. Watch the dress. Careful. You're
God,
gonna spill
Verity.
that on me.
Oh, you just got that dress, didn't you? And suited for
That
success.
looks delicious. What is it? Oh, does it stain? Keep it away from me.
God, calm down.
Perhaps not that casual.
Oh God, Applejack.
Which is the salad and which is the appetizer again? Which am
Yeah,
I supposed to eat first?
that's salad, apparently, because it's just the salad bowl. Just eat.
Oh, never mind. I'm not hungry.
It's okay, Twilight. So our friend's manners aren't perfect.
Well,
I doubt the princess will even
bird in the
notice.
hoof. I don't get this. God, Pinkie Pie. What the fuck?
Oh, chocolate fountainy goodness.
Okay. How would that work? I love how Celestia just rolls with everything. You guys told me she's like calm and collected and shit.
1,000 pardons, Your Majesty.
That's quite all right, thank you.
Look at her. That's sip.
Empty teacup at 4 o'clock.
I see it, honey bun.
Oh, thank you.
Not at all, Your Highness.
Jesus
Thank
Christ.
you again.
What?
Oh, but of course, Your Majesty.
He was pouring upwards. God, calm down. Are you kidding me? Fucking
And
troll.
what about you, dear? Fluttershy, is it?
Me? Oh, yes, Your Highness.
I understand from Twilight Sparkle's letters that you enjoy tending to the
She's not
needs
just
of the
calm and
animals.
collected, she's just a fucking troll as well.
I love to take care of animals.
As do I. As princess, I care deeply about all creatures, great and small.
Oh God, what's that? What the fuck?
Nothing means more to me than the well-being of all my subjects.
What is that fucking thing? Okay.
Philomena, my pet, you're awake. Do say hello to
Oh
our
my
gracious
God.
hosts.
Did you just...
Oh, my.
God.
She is quite a sight, isn't she?
Yeah, how about that?
I've never seen anything like that.
Me neither. The fuck is that thing? She just said... Maybe she's just like, I care about animals, I take care of all the
Really?
retard animals. Maybe
Well,
that's it.
If I must. I'm sorry,
guess.
Every Pony. I'm afraid I have to cut the party short. The mayor has requested an audience with me.
I love that,
Halls,
like, contain the
thank you
spit.
for a wonderful time. It's been a joy getting to know you all better.
God. One of you guys told me that those are called wing boners, I guess. And I'm like,
Now I
okay.
can eat something. I'm starved.
That didn't work out for you, did it? Oh God, Pinky.
Stay right where you are. All I want is a clear path to the exit. Nobody move! And my
Well, I think you would do better in going
Step
forwards instead of going backwards, because most of your dress is exposed in the back. Oh God, Applejack, just gonna have fun.
Well, Spike, I don't know for sure how things went with the princess, but at least no big disasters happened.
Yep. But you should. Oh God. What? Oh, she
You
took
poor
it.
little thing. How did you ever get in such bad condition?
God, okay.
Don't you worry, Philomena.
What is that
I'll nurse
thing?
you back to health, as a favor to the princess, who is obviously just far too busy to care for you properly.
Jesus Christ.
I'm sure the princess will appreciate the help.
I can't even put my finger on what kind of animal that resembles.
Oh my, we better get you to bed right away.
It has a very weak neck.
There.
Oh God. What the fuck? Oh. The fuck? What the heck? The fuck? What is this shit? Just leave it without anything on. What the fuck is happening? Ugh.
This is far worse than I thought. What you need is some
What's
medicine.
inside there? What's that liquid called?
Here you go, Philomena. This will fix you right up.
Pills. Or drugs.
Dr. Fluttershy expected that.
Jesus Christ.
Always works.
That smile.
Almost always.
God, Jesus Christ. You can't even, like... I can't even start to explain what the fuck is...
There's nothing like homemade soup to cure what ails you.
It looked like a
Come
watermelon.
on now. You're not gonna get better if you don't cooperate. See? It's delicious. Good and good for you.
Fluttershy is so sweet and kind. I can't get my eyes off how sweet and kind she
Here comes
is.
the choo-choo train. Chugga 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 woo woo!
God, don't... Oh, you're gonna fuck up his neck. Jesus. Alright.
Here. Don't worry.
Shouldn't that heat him up
I know
too?
what'll make you feel better. Wait right here. I have just the thing.
He's not even drinking.
Look, Philomena.
God.
I brought a fellow
Is
feathered
that mouse
friend down
food?
to cheer you up. Hummingway here was sick once too, but he let me help him and got better in no time.
God, those
He's
lips.
your boy.
I know they're beaks, but they look like fucking lips.
Say hello to your new friend, Philomena.
Oh, that's sweet.
Aw, look. I think he likes you. Ah.
Oh, God. Are you just mocking me because I did
Your
it?
turn now, Philomena. Go ahead. You can do it. Ah.
Oh, God, stop it. Oh, yeah, that's because she ate fucking mouse food.
Try? I know what'll clear up that tickle in your throat. A humidifier.
Is that a heat pump? Or, I don't know. I guess they have electricity then.
How's that feeling now for you, Philomena? Better?
That smile.
Oh, that's okay.
What's up with
I
that
know
bird?
lots of other ways
Are
to
those
take care
fingers
of
or
you.
his feathers?
Don't worry, you're gonna get better. How
My
about
voice fails me.
aromatherapy?
That bird is so fucked up. That sounded like Rarity sneezed in that one episode.
Warm bath?
Oh my god. What? What?
Ointment?
What's that? Well, that didn't work at all.
Scalpel?
Oh, what now?
Surgical tape?
What? What are you doing with him?
Feathers?
Amateur flutter surgeon. Why did you need a scalpel?
Philomena, I thought it would be easy to nurse you back
Flutter
now.
surgeon.
I've tried
Surgeon.
everything I know. And look at you.
Flutter surgeon is best
Worse
pony.
than ever.
Okay, who's it?
Hi, Fluttershy.
Oh.
I just wanted to drop by and say thank you so very much for making such a good
We just
impression on
barged
the
in my
princess
hole.
today.
Why don't you?
What is Celestia's pet doing here?
Oh god,
Leave
you're
the poor
fucked.
thing there. She needed my help.
Oh, no. This is bad.
How could I just walk away and not do anything?
She doesn't belong to you.
No,
I had to do something.
but
Without telling any
it's
pony,
kind.
without
But
asking
you should have asked at least.
I know you
Fucking
had
bird.
good intentions, but you have got to return the princess's
Just
pet.
falls down.
You're
Look at him.
right. Okay,
This is so so fucking random. God.
If we hurry, we can put her back before any pony even realizes she's missing.
What? Oh my god, the Royal Guards. You fucked up.
We were told we could find Twilight Sparkle here. We regret to inform you, miss, that the royal pet has gone missing.
Really?
Oh god.
You don't say!
What an excuse. Her smile. They're like, what the fuck?
It's that dry night air?
but it's daytime.
Twilight, you suck.
Day air's even drier. You guards better be on your way if you're gonna find the princess's missing pet. Philomena, was it?
Jesus Christ.
Thank you ever so much for keeping me in the loop. Bye!
Okay. Oh, they just roll with it.
What are you
They're
doing?
guards.
Going
Aren't you
to
supposed to
return
be a little
Philomena,
suspicious at
remember?
least?
I can't now!
Why not?
You have no idea what the princess is gonna do if she finds you're the one who took her pet, do you?
Do you?
Well, I don't think she'd be
Well,
mad.
No.
She usually
But
is
it
kind of
can't be
nice.
anything
Pinky
good.
fucking
She'd
snapped her
banish you
cupcake
from
and she just
Equestria,
smiled at her.
Or throw you in a dungeon.
That's kind of creepy, actually. But,
Or banish you and then throw you in a dungeon in the place that she banishes you to.
You really think the princess would do that?
no.
Okay, granted that probably won't happen. But do you want to take any chances?
All that really matters to me is that poor little Philomena here gets well.
That's
Jesus
very
Christ.
noble of you. I'll write to you when you're
Fluttershy is so
banished.
swine.
Unless I'm
Swine?
banished to somewhere there's no post
Kind.
office, then you'll have to write to me. Deal?
I don't know why I said
Please,
swine.
Twilight, you just have to help me get Philomena healthy, and then
I didn't
we can
actually
return
mean
to
that.
the
Don't
princess.
hate on me, guys.
Everything
Oh
will
my
be
god.
fine.
My
Did
my
you
words
give her
just
any
failed
kind
me.
of medicine?
I tried to, but she wouldn't take it.
Ugh, then you have to make her take it. You can't be such a
Is it a
pushover,
her?
Fluttershy. You need to show this patient who's the boss. Make her straighten up and fly right.
She can't fly.
No excuses.
Alright.
Done. Okay, what else?
Well, she keeps pulling her feathers off. The ones that
Well, no,
haven't
they
fallen
just
off
like
from all
fall
the
off the
coughing,
shelves.
There you go.
Well, that goes. That's for dogs. Twilight.
I don't think she likes it.
Tough
Nobody
luck,
likes
baby.
that shit.
You want her to get well, don't you?
Of course, but
Next.
well, she desperately needs some bed rest, but I can't get her to stay put.
One step ahead of you.
What?
It's for your own good, Philomena, I promise.
This is
Just relax
abuse.
and try to get some sleep.
Sort of.
What's this soup over here? Smells delicious.
I made it for Philomena, but she wouldn't eat
No,
it.
she drowned in
Oh,
it.
she'll eat
Almost.
it all right.
Okay, she was just attacking the cage.
Where are you going?
What the fuck?
No, Philomena, come back!
It's a Benny Hill theme again. Oh my god, loving this. Oh, nice. Oh my god, I'm rocking it to this fucking song, guys. God, what a fucking picture. If someone came showing me that, I would be like, what the fuck? Yeah, totally. I'm gonna eat a chocolate bar. I listen to this fucking song. Loving it so far. It's so stupid.
What are you two doing? Are you having a race? Oh, can I play? What does it go?
Fucking random ass Rainbow Dash. Okay.
Excuse me.
Beg your pardon. Put me down.
What in tarnation?
Sorry, but we've got to find
Princess's pet bird!
Oh,
Philomena.
it's naked.
Come down from there. You'll hurt yourself.
Just the last feather. Oh shit. What?
I'll catch you.
God. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh! Is it a phoenix? Is it a phoenix?
What is going on here?
It has to be. Because they look horrible before they die and then they turn to ash.
Your Majesty, there's been a terrible accident.
It's all my fault.
It's a phoenix. It's
No,
a fucking
Princess.
phoenix. I know it.
Fluttershy didn't know any better. It was my fault.
I'm the one who did it.
But you were only trying to help.
Some help I was.
Will you let me do this? She'll go easier on me.
But it's my fault.
No, it's my fault.
Get to the point already.
My fault. Wait, what are we talking about? Thanks for trying to protect me, Twilight, but Princess Celestia, I'm the one who took your pet bird.
She's so
I
tall.
really was only trying to help the poor little thing. Then I was gonna bring it right back to you, honest. So, if you want to banish me and then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to, then that's what I deserve.
God, she's not gonna do that. It's a fucking phoenix, I know it. Come on.
Oh, stop fooling around,
Yes.
Philomena. You're scaring every pony.
Yes, yes. Yes. I am fucking boss. It's a fucking phoenix.
I don't understand. What is that thing? What happened?
That's
to Philomena?
amazing.
This is Philomena.
I didn't know.
She's quite a sight, as I said, but nothing unusual for a phoenix.
Oh
Isn't
yeah,
that
I
right,
fucking
Philomena?
owned.
A phoenix?
That's a great
Phoenix is a
design.
majestic and magical
Actually,
bird. While it appears healthy and happy most of the time,
it looks like a
every so
phoenix.
often it must renew itself by shedding all of its feathers and bursting into flame. Rather melodramatic, if you ask me.
Well,
It
to
then
be
rises
honest,
from the
where else
ashes
would I know
much
what a
like
phoenix is
daisy.
except from watching
All just
Harry
a normal
Potter?
part of the life cycle of a phoenix. I'm afraid mischievous little
Isn't that how
Philomena
all of
here
our
took
all
the
of us
occasion to
know
have a little fun
about
with
phoenixes?
Fluttershy. Say you're sorry, young lady.
So, aren't you gonna banish me? Or throw me in a dungeon? Or banish me, then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to?
No.
Of course not, my little pony. Where on earth would you get such an idea?
You're a fucking
Guess I have
student.
some imagination.
Fluttershy
Yeah.
really did do everything she could to try to take care of Philomena for you.
Fucking
And
chocolate
I do
bars.
appreciate that your heart was in the right place, child. But all you had to do was ask me, and I could
How
have
old
told
is
you
she,
Philomena
by the
was a
way?
Phoenix and saved you all this
It's
trouble.
a Celestia. Tell me, guys. Tell me, how old is
I
she?
shouldn't have jumped to conclusions. Next time I'll ask before taking matters into my own hooves.
Should I write you a letter about that lesson, Princess?
If I'm gonna guess, she's
No,
like
that's quite all right. I think
45?
I can remember.
in physically years.
It's beautiful. Thank you, Philomena. No hard feelings.
Oh. How did she fit in that cage? God, that bird's huge. Trolls. Oh, it's so funny. Alright. God, fucking, these interferences with, you know, mythical creatures. I don't know if Phoenix is a Greek mythology as well. But I know it's a creature I've seen before, somewhere else, that's not in the show, like this. But that's cool, appearances of other creatures that are known. So, that's awesome. Good episode. Really funny, lots of cool references, so, yeah. I guess I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. This is Ladix, and I'm saying bye.